I'm sorry, babe, but I stopped using the other toothpaste you gave me.
What? Babe, that thing was like $20. Did you notice results from it?
You tell me what you think.
Oh.
You need to put that other stuff you're using, throw it in the trash and get you some of these.
Okay.
I just can't stop brushing my teeth because it tastes so good, really. It tastes like bubblegum.
Oh, your teeth do look really light.
Thank you.
Click the orange card at the bottom before they sell out.